Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea masala. Start by gathering whole spices and toasting them lightly in a dry pan. Cool the spices completely before grinding to a fine powder for the smoothest texture. Use about 1 teaspoon of tea masala per 2 cups of tea and adjust to taste. Store the blend in an airtight jar away from heat for best flavor and freshness. Toast spices for 3 to 5 minutes until aromatic, then cool them completely to protect volatile oils before grinding. Grind in small batches to maintain consistent texture and avoid heating the grinder. Sift if you prefer an ultrafine powder and add dried ginger or nutmeg sparingly for variation. Store your masala in an airtight jar, label with the date, and use within 3 months. Add 1 teaspoon of tea masala per 2 cups of milk and water combined for a classic balance of spice and richness. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and steep black tea leaves for 3 to 5 minutes for full flavor extraction. Sweeten with sugar or jaggery to taste, then strain into cups for a silky finish. Adjust cardamom intensity until you find the perfect chai ritual for your mornings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.